Hey, I'm Dan Fitzpatrick here at StockMarketMentor.com, and it's Monday, April 4th. And look, I want to look at Salesforce today because that's what you're looking at here. Look, the stock was in a pretty tight volatility squeeze, and I mentioned this. This was in one of the chart of the day videos last week, talking about how we had an alert that caught this on the bounce, and some folks bought it then and then caught it again on the breakout on the same day. So that was a really good trade. And if you haven't tried Stock Market Mentor to see what these alerts will do for you, it's not just the goofy price alerts like you can get on Yahoo Finance or any of your brokerage software, but they're links to my video specifically covering why I'm putting an alert there. But anyway, that was then, this is now. So you can see the stock broke out on, and this was, they don't report earnings until May 20th, which is still a ways to go. That is 2 weeks from Wednesday. So the stock's got a ways to go before earnings, but the stock popped because of a rumor that Oracle was going to buy Salesforce, or might, because they raised a bunch of money and nobody knew why. Oracle raised a bunch of money. I'll tell you why they raised a bunch of money is because interest rates are really, really low. So when you can get free money, why not get a bunch of it? So anyway, then the stock cooled off and now it's drifting lower. So what are you going to do? If it's me, and it is, I'm waiting for the stock to fall back to about 69 bucks or so. This is not, in my view, a good time to be buying the stock. I want to see it at a better technical place. It puts this in kind of a tough spot because you got all of this buying here on this one day. And the folks that bought on this part of the day are all losers. The folks that bought here are all nervous. So we want to see this stock get back through the nervous crowd, closer to the 50-day moving average, and then you can look to buy the stock. But I'd say that a lot of the pre-earnings enthusiasm has been wrung out of the stock already, which in my view tells me that in another week or so, maybe towards the end of this week, if we get more of a pullback here, hopefully we will, we could see an earnings run start. This wasn't the earnings run. We want to see more of a pullback and then look for an earnings run on this. So I think you're being real quick on the trigger in buying the stock right now. If you own it and are asking whether you should sell it or not, it's not a question that I can answer for you. You got to figure that out for yourself. Okay, members, really long strategy session today. Watch it in double speed where you get to hear all of me in half the time, and what could be better than that? I'm giving you a lot of pearls there. There's a lot of things that I want you to be focused on. Take notes.